Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Roger's router blinking orange, outage, WAN signal and reboot steps. On a Roger's network gateway or router, a blinking orange or amber light means the device cannot connect to the internet because it is failing to receive a downstream network signal. It indicates that your equipment is physically powered on but cannot talk to the local Rogers node. First, check for a local area outage. Open a browser on your mobile phone using your cellular data and log into your My Rogers account portal or the Rogers Xfinity app to check for localized outage notifications. Then look up your neighborhood address on crowdsourced status monitors like Down Detector to see if other nearby subscribers are reporting simultaneous dropouts. If a widespread area outage is confirmed, your gateway will automatically log back onto a signal and change to solid white once the primary physical network lines are fixed. Second, inspect and tighten the physical WAN cable connection. Since a blinking orange light specifically points to a signal delivery breakdown, check your physical wiring. Trace the coaxial cable connecting the wall outlet to the back of the Rogers gateway and ensure both ends are screwed in entirely finger tight. Now bypass splitters. If you use a screw on multi-way cable splitter to share a wall outlet between your modem and a TV box, temporarily remove it. Then plug the main coaxial cord directly into the gateway. Splitters degrade line power and block downstream traffic if they go bad. Then disconnect the cable and inspect the internal copper pin. It should be perfectly straight, unbroken, and centered. Third, perform a true power cycle. Unplug the power cable from the back of the Rogers gateway or the wall socket entirely. Then keep it disconnected for at least 60 seconds. This completely drains the hardware's internal memory cache and resets stale provisioning data. Then reattach the power cord and wait for 5 to 10 minutes. The light sequence will cycle through several flashes before stabilizing into a solid white light, indicating a secure connection. Fourth, perform a hardware factory reset. For older modems, find the small pinhole labeled reset on the backplate, then insert a straight pin or paper clip and press and hold for 15 seconds, then let it go. For Rogers Xfinity gateways Gen 2 and 3, find the WPS button on the rear plate, then press down on it continuously for 30 seconds. The LED at the top will flash green rapidly to acknowledge the factory flush, and the machine will automatically reboot. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.